Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ASUS 27-inch eye care monitor, VA279QG, IPS, Full HD, 99% sRGB, Frameless, 120 Hz, Adaptive Sync, 1 millisecond, speakers. HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, low blue light, flicker-free, wall mountable. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. ASUS VA279QG Eye Care Gaming Monitor features 27-inch IPS panel with Full HD, 1920x1080, resolution, providing 178 degrees wide viewing angle panel and vivid image quality. Fast 120 Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync technology and 1 millisecond MPRT to eliminate screen tearing and choppy frame rates for the smoother than ever experience. It also features TUV Rhineland certified flicker-free and low blue light technologies to ensure a comfortable viewing experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.